Hello, my name is Vaidhi Patel. I'm a solutions architect at AWS. In this video, we are going to tell you about AI prompts for Amazon Q Connect, followed by a demo. Let me now hand over to Abhishek. Thank you.
Thanks, Vedehi. I'm Abhishek Pandey, Principal Solutions Architect at AWS. Amazon Q Connect is a generative AI powered assistant for customer service that delivers end customers and agents information and actions to solve issues in real time, providing faster issue resolution and improved customer satisfaction. Today, we'll take a look at how to tailor your Amazon Q Connect assistant to deliver truly personalized customer experience. Let's talk about AI prompts. AI prompts are set of instructions that guide Amazon Q Connect responses. They allow you to customize the tone and language, the decision making process, and the ability to use custom data. For example, instructing the large language model on how to handle the inquiry with underlying knowledge base content or collecting required information during a self service interaction. Now, let's take a look at AI prompt types. With AI prompts, you can fine tune the tone, language, and decision making process for various Amazon Q tasks, such as answer generation, that generates a solution to a query by making use of knowledge base. The query is generated using the query reformulation AI prompt. Intent labeling, that generates intents for the customer service interaction. For example, these intents are displayed in Amazon Q Connect widget in the agent workspace so agents can select them. Query reformulation, that constructs a relevant query to search for relevant knowledge bases. Self-service pre-processing, it can contain the question tool, but it's also where you can configure tools to collect information or take actions. Self-service answer generation, when the question tool is selected in the self-service pre-processing prompt, the self-service answer generation prompt is used. This prompt uses knowledge bases and other associated information to provide a response back to the customer query. Now, let's take a look at AI prompt template. Amazon Q Connect AI prompt has four elements. Context. It provides external information to guide the model. Instructions. This is a task for the large language model. For example, it provides a task description or instructions for how the model should perform. Input data. It provides the input for which you want a response. And output indicator provides the output type or format. Now, I'm handing over to Vedehi for AI prompt demo.
Thank you, Abhishek. Log into your Amazon Connect admin portal. Make sure you are using an admin account or a one with a permission to create Amazon Q AI prompts. Next, from the left navigation menu, select Amazon Q and AI prompts. You will now see a different system prompts like answer generation and internal labeling or query reformulation. We will create a new prompt. Select Create AI prompt. Provide a name for your AI prompt. For the prompt type, select Answer Generation. This will help your agent reply your customer in real time by searching your knowledge base and formatting answers in a clear way. For the description, you can enter any optional description. Click Create. Now you will see the prompt builder screen with all the details and the AI prompt with the default template. You can either edit this template from the online editor or you can use any local editor and paste your updated version. For this demo, I have already created my customized prompt. I'm going to replace the default one with my customized prompt. Once you save your work, click Save and then click Publish. Now you will see some additional details such as assistant ID, AI prompt ID, prompt ARN at the top. This detail can helpful if you are trying to edit your AI prompts using CLI. At the bottom, you will see the version of your AI prompt. Every time you publish your AI prompt, it will create a new version. And now you can associate this version with your AI agent and replace the default one. Now your AI prompt is ready for a production use. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to check our detailed documentation on customizing Amazon Q in Connect using AI prompts.